Welcome to Trading Sadhguru. In this video, we will discuss the boundaries of Nifty for the coming week. That is also a monthly expiry week. So we'll be looking at the level on the higher side and the level on the lower side. And we won't be talking about any specific levels, multiple levels. We'll be talking about the range within which Nifty can actually move in the coming week. So this is the daily chart of Nifty, and you can see that the overall trend is a downtrend, but there is a slight recovery. Now there is a recovery, so the entire action is within the body of this candle. So 1 2 1 2 3 4 candles, but this boundary Nifty is not able to cross. So before we go to shorter time frame charts, let us go and check weekly time frame chart, and if you can find anything there. So this is a weekly chart of Nifty. And here you can see that it is taking support at one of the resistance, and this weekly body is well within this weekly candle. So this is not a positive setup. If you get a gap up or any up move, till the time Nifty is below this level, you can expect a down move. Breach of this level and sustenance above it you can only look for a big up move, maybe 200 to 300 points up move on intraday basis. So this line, this red line, has been acting as a resistance. So from weekly time frame also the pattern looks negative, and so what are the exact level that we should be looking on a weekly basis or for intraday basis for the coming week? So let us go to shorter time frame, that is 1 hour time frame. So here you can see that action since 13th of this month has been limited to this area only. So earlier this line was, for this period, this line was acting as resistance, and after breaching this level and sustaining above this level, this is now acting as, this line is acting as support. So now we have closed at the higher end of this trading range. So this is the higher end of this range. Near the higher end of the range we have closed. Till date we have not closed around, though we tried to touch here but closed little lower. But today we were gap up, as well as it was trading in this range only, and there was a very slight down move on intraday basis, but it closed near the higher end. So what are the possible scenarios for the coming week? So to Monday you may expect, if you get a gap up, so you may see testing of this level 15,860 to 15,890. So for the coming week, this is the deciding level. So breach of which and sustenance above this level may call for a very big move on the high side towards 16,150. So first level is this one. If it is sustained above this level, then 16,150. Say, and there is a possibility that here it may find resistance and may come back to the today's close level. If there is a sideways opening or a gap down, so you may expect to come back to this level and then coming little lower and lower. So these are the two things one needs to remember. On the lower side, our important levels are 15,385, 15,385, followed by 15,300 and 15,250. So on the downside, these are the levels, and the upside, these two are the levels. So for trading purpose, intraday trading purpose, we can say that 15,860 to 890 on the upper side, and on the downside 15,385. So we will consider these as our boundaries for the coming week. If Nifty breaches this level, sustains above this level or below this level, so there will be an explosive move of around 200 to 250 points. So we'll keep these two levels, 15,860 to 890 and 15,385 levels in our mind, and accordingly we will plan our trades. So it is better if we do strategies, since we know the boundaries. For a conservative trader, it is better to go for option strategies. For those people who are having a little capital and they want to trade Nifty compulsorily, so they may look for trades depending on the opening of market on each and every day. So if it opens gap up, what to do? If it opens gap down, what to do? If it opens sideways, what to do? So those things are to be decided on a daily basis. So for daily levels, we will be uploading our videos on every day. So you can follow those videos for the levels. And this is a broad range of Nifty within which we may expect it to move in the coming week. So that is all for today, and tomorrow we'll be discussing the levels of Bank Nifty for the coming week. On intraday basis, levels for Monday, that we will post the video on Sunday. So take care. Bye bye.